Which truck toolbox is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Cater Stack and Roll. The Cater Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer. Priced at $99.99, this rolling toolbox instantly caught my eye with its unique modular design. If you want an organized mobile workshop, this is worth a serious look. The Cater Stack and Roll is built from durable resin, making it lightweight yet sturdy enough for everyday use. The interlocking system allows you to customize your setup, so you can stack, roll, or carry tools exactly how you need them. It also features an audible latch to let you know your tools are secure, which is super important when you're on the go. Plus, with over 1,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that many others are finding it useful too. Now, some users have pointed out that the wheels can feel a bit flimsy on rough terrain. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily on smooth surfaces, like in a garage or workshop, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a solid choice for staying organized. This is perfect for you if you need a flexible storage solution that can be adapted to various projects. Skip this one if you're frequently using it on rugged job sites where durability is paramount. For the price, you're getting a great tool organizer. Now, if the idea of mobility is important, but you need something more rugged, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Aluminum Truck Toolbox Mounting Kit. We have the upgraded Truck Toolbox Mounting Kit by Teach-In Part, priced at just $10.59. This caught my attention for its affordability and the promise of reducing vibration during your drive. If securing your toolbox without drilling is your goal, this is worth a serious look. This mounting kit includes J-hooks with a larger clamping area to hold your toolbox firmly in place, preventing it from moving around on bumpy roads. It also comes with lock nuts to ensure everything stays tight. That means no more rattling noises or worrying about damage to your toolbox or truck. Considering over 900 have been purchased in the past month, many are finding it a practical solution. However, some users mention that installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the no-drill setup is genuinely a time saver. So if you're not handy, it might take a little patience, but the outcome is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy way to secure your toolbox without compromising your truck's integrity. Skip this one if you're a pro who needs heavy-duty mounting options. For under $11, it's an inexpensive addition to your toolbox armor. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a hefty storage solution.
Product number 3, Vevor Trailer Tongue Toolbox. The Vevor Trailer Tongue Toolbox, retailing at $87.90. With its heavy-duty steel construction and locking mechanism, this one caught my eye for its security features. If you need strong, weather-resistant storage, this is worth a serious look. This toolbox offers a spacious 36 by 12 by 12 inch storage area, perfect for organizing everything from tools to outdoor gear. Its carbon steel build is not only lightweight, but also resistant to rust, which is crucial for long-term use. The overlapping door design ensures water won't seep in, keeping your belongings dry and secure. With over 500 sales last month, it's clearly meeting a lot of needs. On the downside, some users found the lid a bit heavy to lift, but honestly, that just means it's built solidly, and the gas strut feature helps smooth out the opening. So while it might take a little muscle, the durability of this box is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you need a trailer toolbox that provides security and ample storage space. Skip this if you're looking for something compact that fits in a tight space. For the price, it's a solid investment in your gear's safety. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more compact for smaller jobs, the next one might just be the ticket.
Product number 4, Be Great Aluminum Toolbox. We have the Be Great 24-inch aluminum toolbox, priced at $99.99. I was impressed by its lightweight design and lockable feature. If you need a reliable, waterproof storage solution, this is worth a serious look. This box measures 24L by 9.5W by 12.5H inches, offering 2.5 cubic feet of storage space. The powder-coated aluminum finish is not only stylish, but also weather-resistant, ensuring your tools stay protected from the elements. It's designed to fit nicely on trailers or RVs, making it versatile for various uses. It's already been popular with over 50 units sold recently, showing that it's a practical choice for many. However, some customers noted that the lock can be a bit stiff to operate. Here's the thing though, it's a security feature that can ensure your tools are kept safe from theft. Once you get used to it, handling the lock isn't too much of a hassle. This is perfect for you if you're in need of a compact, lightweight box that doesn't skimp on security. Skip this if you're looking for a larger storage option. Given its quality, it's a great value in this price range. Now, if you want something with more organizational features, you'll love the next pick.
Product number 5, OLY Pro Truck Bed Toolbox. We have the OLY Pro Truck Bed Toolbox, priced at $234.99. It drew me in with its heavy-duty construction and multi-drawer storage. If you need a lot of organization and durability, this is worth a serious look. This toolbox features 5 drawers, allowing you to keep tools and small parts sorted and secure. The corrosion-resistant steel build is designed to last, and the smooth ball-bearing sliders make accessing your tools a breeze. It also comes with a quick-release mounting base, so you can easily remove it when you need extra space. With no reviews yet, it's a bit of a gamble, but the design suggests a lot of thought went into making it user-friendly. On the flip side, it's on the pricier side compared to others, but I'll be real with you, the durability and organizational features make it a worthwhile investment for serious users who need a reliable toolbox. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty storage solution that keeps tools organized and accessible. Skip this if you want something more budget-friendly. For the features you get, it's a solid buy for the serious tradesperson.
So there you have it, the Keter Stack and Roll for modular storage, the 10 part mounting kit for easy toolbox attachment, the Vevor trailer tongue box for heavy-duty needs, the Big Great aluminum toolbox for lightweight security, and the OLY Pro truck bed toolbox for serious organization. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy tool organizing!